Hello everyone. In this video given is a right triangle with the side length 6 and 8. A square is given over here and a line segment from this vertex of square is drawn to the hypotenuse of this right triangle in such a way that it is perpendicular to the hypotenuse. If the length of this line segment is 4 units, then by this given data we have to find the area of blue square. Let we move toward the solution. First of all, we label the some important points of the figure. Let use the Pythagorean theorem on the triangle ABC. Then AC square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square, that is 36 plus 64, and AC square is 100. Taking square root on both sides, we will get AC length as 10 units. Now let we call this length as x, means side length of this square is x, then definitely area of this square is x square. Let we then if this length is x, then this length is 8 minus x, and similarly AD length is 6 minus x, as AB is 6 and BD is x. Let we draw a line segment from point F to A, and here ADF is a right triangle. We can write the area of this right triangle as area of this right triangle ADF will be x times 6 minus x divided by 2. Similarly, if we draw a line segment from point F to C, and we have CEF as a right triangle, and area of this right triangle will be x times 8 minus x divided by 2. And now we have another triangle, that is AFC, and here base is 10 and height is 4, so area of this AFC triangle will be 4 times 10 by 2. And in the same manner, if we write the area of this larger triangle ABC, which is right triangle, we can write it as, since this length is 6, this length is 8, so area of triangle ABC will be 6 times 8 by 2. Now we have a relation that area of this triangle ABC is equal to sum of these four areas, this triangle ADF, this triangle CEF, this triangle AFC, and this square DFEB. So area of this triangle ABC, this is equal to the sum of these four areas. Now we have found that area of ABC is 48 over 2, that is 24. Now area of ADF is x times 6 minus x by 2. Area of CF is x times x 8 minus x over 2. Area of AFC is 40 over 2, that is 20. And area of this blue square BDFE is x square. Multiplying these x, we will get this relation. Multiplying both sides by 2, we will get 48 is equal to 6x minus x square plus 8x minus x square plus 40 plus 2x square. Minus x square and minus x square will become minus 2x square, that will cancel out with plus 2x square, and 6x plus 8x will be 14x, and 48, and taking this 40 towards the left, we will get 14x is equal to 48 minus 40. From here 14x is equal to 8. Dividing both sides by 14, we will get x is equal to 4 over 7. Since area of this blue square is equal to x square, so taking square on both sides, so this blue area will be 4 over 7 square, and that is 16 over 49, square units. That is the answer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching.